In this video, we interpret positive correlation, negative correlation, and zero correlation. But if you are new on my channel Statisticians Club, please subscribe the channel. Let's start from positive correlation. In positive correlation, high measurement in one variable with high measurement of other variable, or low measurement of one variable with low measurement of other variable. For example, we have one variable is y and other variable is x. If the values of y increases, value of x will also increases. Then this is the example of positive correlation. Similarly, if one variable have low measurement, the other variable also has low measurement. So this is another example or case of positive correlation. In case of perfect correlation, in perfect correlation, correlation coefficient R is equal to 1 and all data points lie on the regression line. If all data points lie on the regression line, then our data is reliable and we have exact prediction on such type of data set. Here is the example of positive correlation. Tall father tends to have son with tall height, and short father tends to have sons with short men. As the height increases, another example is as the height of a person increases, its weight will be increased. Here is the example. As you can see, this person has height 4 feet, its weight is approximately 55 kg, and here this person height is 6.5 and its weight is approximately 100 kg. As the height increases, its weight also increase. This line is the regression line. Negative correlation. In negative correlation, high measurement in one variable with low measurement of other variable. Inverse relationship between the variables. If one variable increase, the other variable will be decrease. This is the example of negative correlation. In negative correlation, regression line goes from upper left corner to the right corner of graph. In case of perfect negative correlation, R is equal to -1 and all the data points lies on the regression line. Here is the examples of negative correlation: highway driving speed and gas mileage. As the speed low, the use of gas mileage will be high. Daily rain and daily sunshine. If day is raining, then the light of sun will be minimum, or it will be cloudy. Weight of a person and running speed. The person who run more or have more exercise, its weight will be minimized. And if a person has low running mileage, then its weight will be high. So in all three examples, as one variable increases, the other variable decrease, or one variable decrease, it causes the increasing of other variable. Here we learn this height and running speed example on this scatter diagram. As you know, this person has running per day 1 kilometer and its weight is near about 90 kg, and this person's have running approximately 2 kilometer per day and its weight is minimum as compared to this person, and this person has 8 kilometer and its weight is 55. This is outlying observation. This person have 8 kilometer walk, but its weight is high. We have a little bit data which is outlining the situation. So this is the regression line which is from upper left corner to the right corner. A strong relationship, either positive or negative, is usually more informative than a weaker one. Here is zero correlation. Zero correlation means there is no relationship exists between two variables. High and low score are not related in any predictable manner. If x and y variables have no relationship, then this type of relationship is called zero correlation. Here is the example. 50% American states differ in personal wealth. These differences are expressed as per capita income, that is range from $24,650 to $45,398, and these states also differ in violent crime per capita. Is there any relationship among wealth and violent crime? The correlation coefficient between per capita income and violent crime rate is 0.01. There is no relationship between two variables. So here is the diagram. When there is zero correlation, the line, the regression line passes from the mean of y, and we have the scatter values because there is no such relationship between x and y variable. And as we can see from this example, there is no relationship between income and violent crime. Thanks for watching.